I think what has really been nice about swag.com is the the variety of products and the high quality brands that we're able to choose from. We have an employee recognition platform that we use, and employees gain points for different milestones or promotions, and then they can spend their points. This has allowed our employees to select items that they feel are more meaningful. We have new hire onboarding kits, and then we also send out new parent gifts, and then we have retirement gifts. And then throughout the year, we also do holiday and appreciation gift boxes. So it's kind of created those memorable moments and has strengthened our employee connection to the company brand and culture. If we do need some suggestions on a holiday gift or appreciation gifts, we'll work with Erin or our swag.com rep to kind of put together some options, which are usually really nice. So it's been simple to do that because we just provide the budget that we want to spend per box. It feels much better giving them something that's high quality brand and something that they can keep forever, rather than just giving them smaller promotional items that aren't as such good quality. And it feels special to receive a box that is Wolf branded and has the Wolf packaging. So it creates more of that memorable experience for them. I think it's definitely improved our operational efficiency overall. So the fulfillment processes in swag.com are awesome. So our team doesn't have to come into the office and spend time to put the boxes together and ship everything out. We're able to just do it from our computer at home and just put in an employee address and just have swag.com ship it. We want to make sure that they're being recognized for those moments, and that it's amazing that they're able to progress in their career and in their life. So we just want to celebrate that.